right, friends, so yesterday we were introduced to subtraction. You should have been at Go Math Think Central doing lesson 6.2. We're working with subtraction again. This time we are focusing on the terms take apart, and we are introduced to the minus sign, or sometimes we say take away. So you need to get 6.2. First thing you do is always the same. Pick up your pencil and write your name. All right, listen to this subtraction problem. 7 minus 2. Remember those counters that I gave you in baggies once upon a time? Yep, we need those. We're going to place 7 counters in the 10 frame just like you see it. And I actually have the 2 colors, so I'm going to use my 2 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to trace the number that shows how many in all. How many do we have? 7. Trace the number that shows how many are red. 2. We're going to trace this minus sign. So we have 7 minus 2. Write the number that shows how many are yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. I'm going to move my counters. All right, turn one page. Listen to this subtraction problem. 8 minus 1. Place 8 counters in the 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus, it says 1, right? So now we're going to draw those counters so we can move those off. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our first number is how many we have in all, minus 1, which we are going to color one of our counters red. Okay? So how many counters do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Turn your paper over. Listen to this subtraction problem. 10 minus 4. So our first number, we write how many we have all together. So we have 10. Trace the minus. Go ahead and draw 10 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It says 10 minus 4. So I'm going to write the number 4. So So I'm going to start with the last one I drew, and I'm going to color 4 of them. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? Write that number here. 10 minus 4 is equal to, write your number. Turn the page. All right, so we're going to be drawing to solve this problem, and then we're going to be writing numbers to show the subtraction problem and the answer. So Juanita has 9 apples. 1 apple is red, the rest of the apples are yellow. We're going to draw the apples. So Juanita has 9 apples, so let's write 9. Draw 9 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It says 1 apple is red, so we're going to take away, so minus 1. And I'm going to make 1 apple red. How many apples are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Turn your whole packet over. Listen to the subtraction problem, and you're going to be drawing 9 minus 3. So 9 is how many we have all together. Draw your 9 counters. Minus 3. So color 3 of those red. How many are left? 9 minus 3 is equal to, this should be your answer. And then the last page is review. 8 minus 2. You're going to draw the 8 counters. 2 of the counters are yellow. So that's going to be take away 2. How many of them are left? 8 minus 2 is how many are left. Number 2, count the number of leaves in each set. Circle the set that has a greater number of leaves. Number 3, compare the cube trains. How many? Write how many. Remember, when we compare, we draw a line from one to the bottom, top to bottom. Then circle the number that is greater.